Hey party people, it's time for my first Christmas party games video of the season. Are y'all ready? Because I know I am. It's time for Santa Pants Showdown. Grab your teammate and suit up. One player steps into those giant jolly Santa pants, suspenders and all, while the other gets ready to toss. When the timer starts, snowballs start flying. Your job? Catch as many as you can right in those Santa pants. After 1 minute, the team with the fullest pants wins. It's chaotic, it's silly, and it's guaranteed to get everyone laughing. All the balls gather around your knees. Also, you should know this has a little stretch in it, but it doesn't have a lot of stretch in it. I've been trying out some goodies that Round Lab sent over, and oh my goodness, their Birch Juice moisturizing line has been a total surprise. I've been using their Birch Juice moisturizing cream for about 5 days now, and it is the perfect, just enough hydration for my normal skin. And the Birch Juice Moisturizing Sun Stick, this has been living in my purse. It glides smoothly right over my makeup when I'm running the kids back and forth from school. And their Birch Juice Travel Kit makes the perfect stocking stuffer for a friend who loves skincare. I am so glad that YouTube lets me put links to these Round Lab products here on the screen. Makes it super easy and convenient for y'all to shop. Just simply click on it, it'll take you right to the website. Rudolph's rolling nose. Time to help Rudolph find his nose. Players take turns blowing a red ping pong ball across the tops of 3 cups. Your mission is to get that little red nose to drop into the 4th clear cup at the end. Fastest time wins the round. And if you want to level up the challenge, just add a 5th cup to extend the runway. Simple, silly, and super fun. Here's a trick to get this game to work. Add clear packing tape to the tops of the cups. It's still challenging, but it creates that perfect runway into the clear cup. Christmas sweater, keep it uppy. Next up, this one is equal parts festive and frantic. Each player gets a balloon and a Christmas sweater. When the leader says go, you've got to put on your sweater while also keeping your balloon up in the air. If your balloon hits the floor, you're out. First person buttoned and still bouncing that balloon, they take the win. It's harder than it looks, trust me. Shawn, welcome to my channel of party games. Come back every Friday for more fun, festive party games. I hope to see you here.